Instagram, Facebook, how you doing? Haters gone crazy. Haters complaining about everybody. Haters even complaining about my boss. The boss is the boss. This all happened when the hater thought she blamed a inventory mistake on me. And my boss said, walk me through the math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that's the only way to count. I counted 75, the white woman counted 74. And then, well, guess what the white woman said? What do you think the white woman said? Martin's not counting correctly. So I had to investigate it because everybody's like, man, that's pretty strange. Let's try this because the number was coming up to my number. I know when it's black, get it black, white, but 75 is 75. And then since then, the haters gone crazy, man. That's what I say. Be calm. Because the truth comes out. And then once the truth come out, you got to keep lying and lying. So make sure if you lie, keep your lies straight.